Hello viewers, in this amazing session we are trying to bring for you amazing, very beautiful jute rustic craft for mindfulness, and we are giving you the amazing creation of very beautiful wall hanging jute burlap X-Mix craft. To the world where simplicity and nature meet the warmth of the holiday season, today we will explore rustic X-Mix crafts. Humble, earthy and soulful creations that not only decorate your home but also invite mindfulness into your daily life. Rustic crafts remind us that beauty lies in what is natural, raw and handmade. As we shape jute burlap, wood and twine, we are not just crafting, we are breathing, slowing down and discovering peace. Let's begin with jute and burlap material spirit. Imagine wrapping a ball in burlap, trying it with twine and adding a sprig of pine or a cinnamon stick. Simple yet deeply beautiful, or perhaps a star cut finished from burlap. Star cut from burlap. Stitched with red or green threads. Finished with a wooden button in a center. The crafts are earthy, imperfect, and alive. Remind us the mindfulness means letting go of perfection. The rough touch of burlap in your hands brings you back to the present moment. Rustic crafts thrive on the gifts of nature. A slice of wood can become a rustic ornament with just a little paint or a burnt design. Pine cone dyed lightly in white paint can look like snowy treasures. Even twigs tied together can form tiny stars or hearts. As you gather these materials, notice how your breath slows, how your senses awaken. Crafting with nature ground us. Every knot tied, every leaf added is an act of presence. Now picture a rustic X-Mix wreath, not the polished store-bought kind, but one you build with your hands, a simple wire frame wrapped in jute twine, decorated with pine cones, dried orange, and maybe a burlap bow. As you place each piece, you make small choices. Here a sprig of greenery, there a touch of ribbon. Every decision is mindful. Every step brings you deeper into focus. This is where rustic crafting becomes a quiet meditation, a way of calming the mind while creating beauty. Rustic crafts are not only decoration, they are practices of mindfulness. When you weave twine, when you sand a piece of wood, when you stitch burlap, your hands and heart work together. You are fully in the present, aware of texture, sounds, and movement. The act itself slows down time, turning a busy day into a peaceful ritual. These crafts become symbols of patience, grounding the authenticity the whisper, slow down, breathe, create. So you make rustic X-Mix crafts this season. Remember that each piece is more than decoration. It's a practice of mindfulness, a reflection of simplicity and a gift of peace. Whether you hang a jute ornament, a burlap star, or a handmade wreath, let it remind you that true beauty is found not in perfection but in presence. May these crafts bring calm to your heart, warmth to your home, and joy to your holiday season. Thank you for your amazing response. I wish you are always be happy. May your home fulfilled with happiness, love, and prosperity. May your home fulfilled with love, fulfilled with craft, beautiful arrangement, beautiful crafting. Keep crafting, keep smiling, keep decorating your home with love, sparkling, and joy. Stay blessed. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. We want to bring something special, something great for you. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. God bless.